before we take off, please ensure that all small items are secured. What? Do you feel safe? I will hit you.
Yes, ma'am.
When do we land?
It'll be another 2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
What time will it be when we land?
Roughly 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Anything else?
No.
Ma'am?
Will there be any turbulence?
Nope, skies are clear.
There's more than one sky.
It's a figure of speech.
It's a figure of stupid.
Do you need anything else?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I just like the sound.
Stop it!
Who took my phone charger? I did. I was going to charge my phone, and then I noticed my charger's missing. I told you not to touch my thing. Yeah. Well, what percentage are you on? Now she's asking what percentage I'm on when it's my charger. It's not professional and it's not ethical. It's just a charger. She can buy a billion more. It's not about the percentage. It's about being a respectful sister. I need the charger. I'm working from home. Twerking from home? Now she's claiming I'm twerking from home. Working from home, not twerking from home. Working, twerking